Our topic of discussion is flagella of a bacterium. The bacteria flagella is totally different from the eukaryotic flagella, as it is composed of flagellin protein, unlike the tubulin protein. ये केमिकली फ्लैजिलिन प्रोटीन से मिलकर बना हुआ है. इसके कंपोनेंट्स की बात करें तो दे हैव 3 बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स. The first one is known as the basal apparatus or the basal body, while the other one is known as the short curve. Third part is known as the helical filament. The basal apparatus is interact with the cytoplasm and the cell wall of the bacteria, while the short curve and the helical filament is lies outside the bacterial cell. अब हमने यहाँ इस स्ट्रक्चर को, इतने से रीजन को इनलार्ज फॉर्म में देखा. इस इनलार्ज स्ट्रक्चर को यहाँ पे हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. सो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बाद this one is the peptidoglycan, and the layer marked with the blue color is the outer layer of the cell wall. The structure which is highlighted with the green color is the basal apparatus, which interact with the cytoplasm and the cell wall. This structure is the short curve, while this is the helical filament. So there are 3 basic components of the bacterial flagella. The main function of this flagella is motility. It helps in the motility. Now we are going to discuss about the types or the classification of bacteria on the basis of flagella. The first one are atracheous with no flagella. They do not possess any flagella. Cocci bacteria mostly include in this. The other one is monotracheous. They contain only one flagella or the flagellum. Other one are known as amphitracheous. As the name suggests, amphi means dual. So they have tuft of flagella on both ends. The third type is lophotracheous. They have cluster or the tuft of flagella on one end. The last is peritracheous. They have a lot of flagella which covers around its whole body. So the monotracheous flagella is bacteria is somehow like this. Amphitracheous is somehow like this. Lophotracheous is somehow like this, while the peritracheous, they have a lot of flagella around its whole body. So this is about the classification of bacteria on the basis or on the absence or presence as well as on the number of flagella.